Topic: Viral medical cases. In this Do You Know episode, we explore real medical cases that shocked doctors and went viral due to how rare, unusual, or unbelievable they were. Some cases changed medical understanding, some had no clear explanation, and some sound so unreal they feel like fiction, but these cases are real, and they continue to amaze scientists and doctors. But before we continue, if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel Net New Universe, so you don't miss the upcoming videos like this. 1. Do you know? A man survived with a metal rod through his skull. In the 1800s, a railroad worker survived a severe accident. A metal rod passed through his head during an explosion. Remarkably, he lived and remained conscious afterward. However, his personality changed significantly. This case helped scientists study brain function. 2. Do you know? A woman was awake during surgery without feeling pain. Some patients experience rare conditions during anesthesia. In one case, a patient was aware but felt no pain. This condition is extremely rare. Doctors continue to study how it happens. It shows how complex the brain is. 3. Do you know? A man lived with only one functional lung. Some individuals live normal lives with reduced lung capacity. In rare cases, one lung performs most of the work. The body adapts over time to compensate. This shows how flexible human physiology can be. It highlights the body's ability to adjust. 4. Do you know? A person could not feel physical pain. A rare condition called congenital insensitivity to pain exists. People with this condition cannot feel pain at all. While it may sound beneficial, it is dangerous. Pain helps detect injury and protect the body. Without it, injuries can go unnoticed. 5. Do you know? A woman remembered every day of her life. Some people have a rare ability called hyperthymesia. They can recall almost every day in detail. Memories remain vivid and precise over time. This ability is extremely rare. Scientists are still studying how it works. 6. Do you know? A man developed a new language after injury. After a brain injury, some patients develop unusual abilities. In rare cases, individuals begin speaking differently. Language patterns can change significantly. The brain may rewire itself after trauma. This shows the power of neuroplasticity. 7. Do you know? A person had objects left inside after surgery. In rare medical errors, objects have been left inside patients. These cases are extremely uncommon, but documented. They often require additional surgery to correct. Strict procedures now exist to prevent this. It highlights the importance of medical protocols. 8. Do you know? A woman was allergic to water. A rare condition called aquagenic urticaria causes reactions to water. Even contact with water can cause discomfort or irritation. It is extremely rare and difficult to manage. Patients must take precautions daily. It shows how unique medical conditions can be. 9. Do you know? A man experienced continuous hiccups for years. Some cases of persistent hiccups last for years. They can affect daily life significantly. Medical causes vary and are sometimes unclear. Treatments are often difficult. It shows how simple reflexes can become serious issues. 10. Do you know? A woman had a condition that made her see only shades of gray. Some rare neurological conditions affect color perception. Patients may lose the ability to see colors. Everything appears in black and white. This condition can occur after brain injury. It changes how people experience the world. 11. Do you know? A person could stay awake for extremely long periods. There have been cases of individuals staying awake for days. Sleep deprivation affects the brain and body. It can cause confusion and health issues. Sleep is essential for recovery. Extreme cases highlight its importance. 12. Do you know? A man had a heart beating outside his chest. A rare condition called ectopia cordis exists. The heart develops outside the chest cavity. It is extremely rare and serious. Some cases have survived with medical care. It is one of the most unusual conditions. 13. Do you know? A woman experienced sudden memory loss. Certain conditions can cause temporary memory loss. Patients may forget recent events or identities. Memory can sometimes return later. These cases are still studied. They show how delicate memory systems are. 14. Do you know? A person had an extra tooth growing in an unusual place. Dental anomalies can cause extra teeth to grow. Sometimes they appear in unexpected areas. These cases require medical attention. They are rare but documented. It shows variations in human development. 15. Do you know? A man lived with a massive tumor for years. Some tumors grow slowly over time. In rare cases, they reach large sizes before treatment. Surgical removal can be complex. These cases are studied for medical insight. They highlight early detection importance. 16. Do you know? A woman could hear internal body sounds loudly. Some conditions amplify internal sounds like heartbeat or breathing. This can be caused by structural changes in the ear. It affects daily life significantly. Treatment options vary. It shows how sensory perception can change. 17. Do you know? A person experienced sudden loss of speech. Neurological events can affect speech ability. Patients may suddenly be unable to speak. Recovery depends on treatment and time. Speech therapy is often required. It shows brain-language connection. 18. Do you know? A man had a condition that caused extreme sweating. Hyperhidrosis causes excessive sweating beyond normal levels. It can affect hands, face, or body. The condition can impact daily activities. Treatments include medical and surgical options. It shows variation in body regulation. 19. Do you know? A woman experienced sudden vision changes. Vision disorders can appear unexpectedly. They may affect clarity, color, or perception. Some cases are temporary, others long-term. Medical evaluation is important. It shows how complex vision is. 20. Do you know? Some medical cases remain unexplained. Despite advanced science, some cases have no clear answers. Doctors continue to study unusual conditions. New discoveries are made over time. The human body still holds many mysteries. Medicine continues to evolve. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Net New Universe, so you don't miss my upcoming videos like this every week.